Welcome, viewers, in today's podcast of I with Me and You. Today we have a very special guest, Julie Bhavya Arun Bengani, a professional numerologist practicing for more than 15 years. With her gigantic experience, a numerologist by profession, palmist, and a signature analyst, she has changed thousands and thousands of people's lives and how they have derived benefit out of it. So we welcome Julie ji in this very special episode of I with Me and You.
Thank you, Shabuni, for inviting me on your podcast, I with Me and You. And I must say, it's a beautiful name you have chosen. And somehow, it brings you close to yourself. I mean, it's very relatable. It's very relatable. I'm really finding it very comfortable also. And a beautiful name. And wish you all the success with this podcast session of yours.
Thank you so much.
And giving me the opportunity to share my insight and experience about numerology, and I hope this session will definitely help viewers to learn about numerology and benefit from it. Thank you so much.
Definitely would love to. Now, Julie ji, the very important question, whenever we think of numerology, I think one thing that comes to our mind is numbers. So why is that suddenly this numerology is, coming up like we will say like a tsunami, rising high up, rising high up. It is an ancient thing which we have come to know for so many years. But why is that for the last 5-10 years is so prevalent? And why is numerology so very important? That is what is thinking me, and I'm totally going deep into it in understanding why is numerology important and what is this numerology is.
Shravani, coming to the first part of your question. So this is we should be thankful to the social media, so for bringing the awareness about numerology and all the other occult sciences as well. But yes, numerology is trending the chart actually. So I'll say, why not numerology? Because if I tell you, it will not be an exaggeration that we live in a mathematical world. Right from the day we are born to the labor room you were operated, I mean, you were born, to the car the car you were brought into your house, your house is numbered, the car you were traveling is numbered, your street is numbered, the school you went is numbered, the classroom, your roll number, your official documents, your identity cards, everything is numbered. And last but not the least, the mobile which you carry. So it's all numbers, right? Even we're writing our name. You call me Julie, I call you Shravani. But for us, it's a name. But each and every alphabet is also numbered. So we are calling a name, we are writing a sentence, but it's actually numbers we are writing. So numbers has a great impact in our life. The frequency and the vibration of the number really impacts in a very, very magical way in our life. Okay. So for me, numerology is like a mirror which shows your true self in a direct, honest, and non-biased way. Okay. And it helps you in your personal transformation journey. And secondly, as per my experience of more than 15 years actually, I find it to be the Google map. Okay. How you can say, because it directs you to the right, it gives you the right direction. It makes you aware of your strength and weaknesses you're born with. And it shows you the possibilities of your life. And it helps you to focus and plan your future. And it helps you to improve your relationships with yourself as well as with others. Okay. And it helps you to make your dream come true also. So numerology really helps you in everyday life of yours. So for that, you need to understand, you have to really understand the beauty of the number. And believe me, among all the occult sciences available today, numerology is the simplest amongst all, and very easy to understand, very easy to apply, and very easy to follow. So this is how it really helps you. And coming to numbers, as I told you, see, no number is bad. Okay, every number has its we can divide numbers into three parts: positive, negative, and destructive. So it depends as to what characteristics or what part you're using the number of, whether you're in a positive mode or in a negative mode. So that way it applies on you. Otherwise, every number is beautiful in itself, and every number has the potential to help you achieve whatever you have in life. This is what I have learned from numerology, and numerology has changed my life, and I have changed my children's life, and by God's grace, thousands and thousands of lives all across the globe through numerology. And yes, and it is showing a remarkable difference in people's life, in my known ones also. Yes.
So, whenever we talk of numerology, which you have given the description right now, I do understand that. But I have seen mostly people focus on this particular number works with this. Is it that same? Suppose we talk of 1, 2, 3, 4 as a sequences. Is it happening? Suppose number 2, somebody is number 2. Will all people born with 2 will have the same type of life and destiny lifestyle like that? Or is it the single day a person who is born, maybe number 2, again I'm coming to, it will be different for different people? How is it different?
Okay, a very good question and a very interesting part, I'll tell you. See, definitely I agree with you. There are lakhs of people who are born in number 2. Lakhs of people might share the same birth number.
Absolutely.
Right? But the difference comes where, I'll tell you, just let me brief you a bit and then I'll come to that. It's like, as I said, numerology, all the numbers are beautiful and all the numbers have positive effect and negative effect as well. The difference is, numerology is basically based on 4 major numbers, 4 important core numbers.
Okay.
That has to be taken into account. That is where the difference comes also. Okay. So the most important number, irrespective of your date of birth, I don't give importance to date of birth as much as I give importance to the 4 major numbers I'm talking about. Okay. It's through my experience I'm talking about and through my studies and research. The 4 important core numbers of numerology is, the first is the life path number, which is the sum total of your entire date of birth, your birth month, your birth date, and the birth year you were born. So the total, the sum of the total, the number which comes to it, is known as the life path number. Okay.
How that thing?
So that is one important core number, and it has a significance of 50% in our life. This is the most important number of our life. So not only your date of birth, the entire date of birth. You understand?
Right.
And then the other 3 core numbers comes in, which is, the second is the name number given to you by your parents at the time of your birth, as per their experience, their choice, and your destiny attracted that name. Okay? So the sum total of your full name is known as the expression number. That is the second important major number in our life.
Okay. Life path number,
second expression number. Third is the sum of the vowels present in your name. The total of the sum of the vowels. Okay.
A-E-I-O-U.
A-E-I-O-U. Exactly. So the total numbers present, the vowels present in your name, it gives us the total, the number which comes, we term it as heart's desire number.
Okay, the vowels is the heart's
desire number. Right. And last but not the least is the number which we get by adding the life path number to our expression number. Okay?
Life path
to the expression number.
Means the name total
number. And the entire date of birth. So the total which we get is known as the maturity number. Okay, so I'll just brief you. So these are the 4 core numbers of your life. If I put it like it's like the 4 post of your bed.
Oh, otherwise we are not
Otherwise,
balancing
if
it.
this 4 numbers has to be balanced, has to be in alignment, has to be synchronized. If they are not synchronized, then you won't be able to live a balanced life. Okay?
Wow,
So these
wonderful
4 numbers
description.
has to be in balanced, right? And I'll just brief you. So as you said, what is a life path number? The life path number is what? It tells us who you are, who you really are cut out to do, what you're really cut out to do in this life. This tells us about your hidden talents you're born with, the innate abilities you're born with, along with the weaknesses and the strength, the opportunities you are going to meet in life,
Okay.
and the life purpose which you need to fulfill. So these characteristics, these are described by the life path number. So now the life path number needs to be supported by the other 3 major numbers. The second important number, as I said, life path plays 50% significance. So other 3 major numbers in whole plays 50% significance. So just imagine the power of your life path.
That means it's already 100% we are coming to.
Yes. So the rest of the 3 major numbers will be playing 50% of the role. So the expression number means the abilities, the opportunities you're going to give, and the environment you're going to get. So the abilities you need to use and the environment you need to take it into stride to fulfill the life purpose, to help your talent number. That is a life path number. And the heart desire number is a number which talks about your motivation, your conscience, your soul urge as to what you really want to do. What is your passion? You understand?
So that will get the guidance.
Exactly.
So which particular path to
Path
follow?
to follow, exactly. And the maturity number is a number where these 3 core numbers guides you towards that. It paves the path to a life's purpose. The maturity numbers comes into effect after the age of 32. And
Means
the
once we are
entire, when we get
matured.
mature, and the entire life path turns towards it as to what life purpose we need to, what have we come to fulfill in this lifetime? What is the purpose of our living? What is the purpose of our life? So this is where the maturity number guides us towards the fulfilling of our purpose.
That means we have a karma balancing also in this particular thing.
Absolutely. Everything comes into play.
Numerology is a compact thing. We get everything.
Everything. So as I told you, once you understand yourself, this is the beauty of numerology. It asks you to make your strength, your weakness, your strength, and grab the abilities and the opportunities and pave your way towards success. It guides you in a beautiful and simple manner.
That is what I have also seen in my life. I have taken guidance from you.
Yes.
So that's the reason, that was the reason that has brought me, I invited you to this particular podcast. The changes I have seen, my family has seen, my dear friends has seen. I think people to get to know all these things.
Yes, absolutely.
Getting the right guidance.
Right, the guidance is very, very important, not to create panic,
Right.
Because, I don't want to name anybody, but as when I see the YouTube, I'm scrolling down the YouTube channel and all, when I see their people, even the clients are approaching me. So they come with some inhibition and they have that fear inside them, But when they meet me and when we have the session, they say it's so easy and it's so easy to follow. I said, yes. So not to create panic, make them aware about it. It's the beauty of numerology. As I told you, it's like a mirror. You are making yourself, I make you stand in front of a mirror. So you see yourself and you understand your weakness, your strength, right? Your possibilities, your opportunities, your weaknesses, and accordingly you take the.
Yeah, it is not possible for me to follow someone else's path.
Absolutely.
I have
so
to
you need to
follow my flow,
exactly what you're born with. Exactly.
I am born with that connection.
You have to understand that.
But I need that guidance to tell me which path to follow.
Absolutely.
I may have 10 different paths.
Absolutely.
Which you have told me, yes, these are the 2-3 ways. Those pathways are there. These will be perfect for you.
Exactly.
So that guidance we need. Suppose when we fall sick, also we go to the
doctor. Exactly.
So we have to take guidance from the doctors. So
Right.
similarly, our life's guidance is also needed by professional people.
Exactly. A wise numerologist will guide you in a right
Absolutely.
manner with 100% clarity. That I can assure you. A consultation session with me will give you 100% clarity about the direction of right direction towards life, about your life purpose with time tested remedies also.
Very much.
Yes, that is for sure. That is for sure.
So that is very nice when you talk of. And what about the master number? We say, what is a master number? You have discussed everything. Just a view
Right.
of the master number.
Right, sure. See, as you say, master number. So, master numbers, you can understand the term master number. That is what? The number
All
is
in all,
itself in master.
is a
Exactly.
master.
With great power comes great responsibilities. So,
Hmm.
master numbers we say as number 11 and 22. Even 33 is also considered as master number. But still, we haven't seen we haven't seen that awareness amongst the people about the number 33. But master number, as I said, means double the energy of that number. So you can understand the kind of intensity you need to understand, the level of awareness, the level of potential you have to put in. You understand? You have to live that number. So master number is not easy to live up to until unless you're on a spiritual plane. Master number means you
Okay.
cannot live a mundane life. You have to be you're above others in comparison with the other numbers. You understand? You're above number 9, 1 to 9. You're above those number 9 numbers. So 11 by 22 is putting you up on a pedestal. It needs
Okay.
high level of awareness, high level of intensity, high level of maturity to fulfill the desires of that number. And through guidance only you will be able to tap the the positive energy of that number. Otherwise, you tend to see people falling flat on
Because
face,
otherwise we don't understand.
you don't understand. And
what
you
exactly
then
to
you
go
are
in
met
for.
with, you are termed as impractical or unsuccessful in the world. But believe me, number 11 and 22 have much more potential than the other numbers, other 1 to 9 numbers.
Is it? But that
Yes.
has not been promoted so
and
far.
not been. That's what I said. Now
have
you
been
have to
highlighting
have the
single
right.
numbers,
Exactly, you have to have the
always.
right guidance. Similarly, coming to the karmic debt numbers, as I said, no numbers are bad, but there are certain exceptions also, right? So coming to the exception part, as I said now, the master numbers. Okay. Then the second is the karmic debt numbers, which
Mhm.
people have to be aware about. What are the? Though there are 4 karmic debt numbers which we need to be aware. And I always guide my clients, if you don't have these numbers in your life, say for example, the master numbers and the karmic debt numbers I'm talking about, they are 13, 14, 16, 19. If you don't have them in your chart anywhere, please don't invite it. Be it your birthday number, be it your house number, be it your car number, be it your anything, don't invite them in your life. Because they will bring in certain obstructions. Your life will not be nobody's life is bed of roses, but your life will be full of obstacles, full of uncertainties, compared to the other normal other
It
person.
should not stay with me for a longer period of time.
I mean, it should not be invited if it's not there. And if it's there, obviously we are there to guide you, and the remedies are there. So these are the 4 numbers which I say to avoid in case. See, for example, nowadays, when a child is born, it's generally a C-section. So it's a beautiful time for a child to get born in the 21st century, because you know the time, you know the date, you know everything. It's in your hand. So you can choose the date for your child.
Because we are numbers.
We are numbers, and you have the ability to, the facility to choose it. So why not? So don't invite these numbers. So avoid these numbers, the karmic debt numbers.
Okay.
They are like a bottleneck situation comes in. They might bring it. These numbers can bring in instability in your life. You might tend to take shortcuts to fulfill your desires and dreams, which might make you fall flat. These numbers can bring in bad names, losses, extramarital affairs, divorces, separations. These are the things, this negativity comes with these numbers.
No, understanding when you talk of separations, divorce, relationship issues.
Yes.
Now, since my podcast or what we are doing is we are creating this awareness to the people to
Right.
be careful,
Right.
because if this impacts relationships as well.
Yes, it impacts every aspects of your life. Believe me, numerology impacts every aspect of your life, be it physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. And finance is the byproduct. So
It
these,
is the outcome of
it's the outcome.
everything.
It's a by. I always say it's a
It
byproduct.
is what
Financial
numerology is. We say Vedic is there, Pythagorean is there.
yes,
So,
Chaldean is there. So
Okay.
I follow Pythagorean numerology out and out.
Okay.
Because I have seen this gives you more vivid picture about a person's life. It goes deep into a person's life. You know, if I tell you a difference between a horoscope, an astrologer, or a numerologist, I'm talking about the
better side of
the wiser ones.
the
Okay,
wiser one.
the ones who are experienced in this science. So I find a difference of 10% between an astrologer and a numerologist.
Yeah, that is true.
You know,
But
if you go to a wise numerologist, a right person, right, so he can dig deep into your numeroscope, as an
Yes.
astrologer can do with your horoscope.
Yeah, because those are also numbers when you deal with astrology also.
Astrology
is
plays
also
more
another
about
numbers.
it is more about the planets.
Planets.
I do believe in planets also. Even the numbers are the planets are numbered
Numbers
also.
also.
Right. So yes, but if you go to a wise numerologist, even he or she can guide you in the same manner as an astrologer can guide you. Believe
Yeah,
me.
it more or less comes to the same thing.
Yes.
Since during my research, I have come across all these things, and coming to the overview of the conclusion is numerology plays a very, very, very important role I have seen in my life and in my known people's life too.
Absolutely.
And I feel the viewers should be aware of making their life much better.
Exactly.
Just generating few common applications in oneself
That's
and
true.
few changes. And I don't think so. The changes are very vital that need to
not at all.
major monetary issues and
No, it's
nothing
nothing
needed.
of that. See,
Just the mindset is important.
absolutely. The willingness has to be there. If you really want to, achieve something, if you really want to fulfill your desire, or you really want to become what you're born to be, in every aspect of it. I'm not talking about only one aspect. Every aspect of your life. See, I just want to, share an experience of my client.
Okay.
He met me, this client of mine came to me in the month of March. Okay. And then by the month of March end, I suppose, he went and whatever I guided him with, and he literally followed. And then he came down to me in the month of May. Okay. After 2 months or so, in the month of May, I suppose. And we were just discussing, and he just asked me, okay, I bought a car. So can you help me with the number? I said, before buying only, you could have asked me. He said, why? I said, when colors also play a vital role. He said, is it so? I said, yeah. Because the kind of number I'm going to give you, it has to be favorable. The color has to be favorable
with
also.
That particular person's
chart also. So he said, okay. So I guided him with a particular number. He said, okay, doesn't matter. I've already bought it. And this is a number. So I said, I'm sorry to say, and believe me, this fellow bought the car 4 months back, I suppose, and he told me after 4 months. So I said, I'm sorry, but this number, I told what was happening in his life to the number. I said, this is happening with you with this car. He said, absolutely bang on. So I said, this is not going to take you far, too far. So he said, I've already spent lakhs, and what to do? I said, there's no other option, but if you can change the number. He said, that is not possible. And without informing, you won't believe, after 15 days, he just calls me. He said, I'm planning to buy a new car. I said, are you nuts? I mean, 4 months back, you got a new car, and nobody can spend, 4 months are a joke. Even if I tell somebody having a car 5 years old or 10 years old also, they'll think twice before changing the car. He was so desperate, and he was actually what he said, the belief and the trust he developed by the session, from the session. That's what he told me. From the session, he said, no, it literally motivated him. So he said, no, it doesn't matter if I'm going to I can bear the loss. So he bears the loss of few lakhs. and believe me, he bought the new car as suggested by me, and the
And
changes,
the number also. I
number
presume.
also, yes, and the changes which he observed within 2 months, it was unbelievable. And he just told me yesterday only. He told me about it yesterday, that whatever I predicted, whatever I told him and his family, it started, materializing, and he could shift to his home place back after many years of staying away from his family. So finally he's shifting back.
Okay.
So that's he really wanted, and that too happened in the midst of the year, which never happens in the corporate world. He's working in a high corporate company, and the changes always happens at the year
At a
end.
particular time,
Especially I think in the month of March or April,
it
something.
happens like
And
that.
happening, within this 4 months, it was like, he said, I don't know, as if, God has come and literally picked him up and, put him back to where he wanted to
but
be.
car numbers also impact so
As
much
I
in
told
our
you,
lives.
every single number impacts. See, I'll tell you one thing, viewers. We don't attract numbers. Number attracts us. That is for sure, I'm telling you. The house you live in, even the Uber you are traveling. Suppose you booked a Uber, so you don't know the number. But if you sit and if you see the number, you will see you are attracting the same kind of number or the same family number. So number attracts us. So everything plays a bite. Everything is numbered actually. Be it your car, your mobile, your house, your street,
our identities are
your
numbered.
identities, everything is numbered, believe me, and it has a great impact in our life. So this is what I want to tell you. If you have that, the determination, the willness to do something. See, I agree, there's luck, destiny is there, but the action has to be taken. That fellow, he would have sat and he took the action, right?
And he got
then only he got the result, and he could change his destiny. This is how it works.
It's really, thank you so much.
Numerology is logic. Actually, it's logic.
I'm not for the first time I'm sitting with you, but I'm really again spellbound every time I sit with you also. But thank you for coming
so much.
into this session. And thank you, viewers. I hope in today's episode, you'll be benefited by the views given by Julie ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.